Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves, park level, and lower the door window fully so glass clears the frame. Once done, disconnect the negative battery if you have powered mirrors or speakers, then support the door with a strap or stand to hold its weight. Next, locate and expose the wiring grommet and hinge bolts. This is where you'll act. You want easy access and a steady door before loosening anything, so confirm your strap holds firm and the door won't shift. You now unplug the wiring harness inside the rubber grommet, press the release and pull the connectors apart. Label if needed. Once disconnected, unbolt the door check strap or hold down that stops the door from swinging fully. Then, with an assistant or the strap supporting the door, loosen the upper and lower hinge bolts a little first to align, and finally remove them one side at a time. Do not let the door hang. Steady removal prevents pinching wires or scraping paint. You and your helper lift the door straight off the hinge barrels. Keep it level to avoid bending pins. Once clear, place the door on a padded rack or blanket and secure it so it can't tip. Store hinge bolts with their matching side labeled. If a connector refuses to disengage, don't force it. Inspect the grommet for a retaining clip, use a small spray lube, and pry gently with a trim tool. If the hinge is stiff, back off bolts and realign, then retry removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.